morning, students. In this lesson, we will solve a problem on pyramid. How to draw the isometric view of truncated pyramid. Truncated means a pyramid which is cut pyramid. Cut something. Truncated. Truncated pyramid. Truncated means pyramid which is cut by a plane. The remaining portion is called truncated pyramid. So here in this problem they are giving that a pentagonal pyramid. So pentagonal base is a pentagonal pyramid of base edge 20 mm and height 60 mm. Rest on its base on the HP. Base is resting on the HP with a base edge parallel to the VP. With a base edge parallel to the VP, we have 5 edges, right? So on that one edge is parallel to the VP. So it may be like this, or maybe it may be like this also. So here also this edge is parallel to the VP, one edge. So in this location also parallel to the VP, but it is given base edge is parallel to the VP, one of the base edge is parallel to the VP and further away from the VP. Further away from the VP, that parallel edge, they are mentioning about a parallel edge, right? That parallel edge is away, further away from the VP. If I am keeping here means it is close, this parallel edge is close to the VP. But it is given, clearly given that parallel edge is further away from the vertical plane. Then a section plane perpendicular to the VP and inclined at 45 degrees to the HP. So inclination to the HP means theta is going to cut. Okay, theta is going to cut above the XY line. 45 degree cuts the axis of the pyramid at a point 33 mm from the vertex. The section plane meets the pyramid at 33 mm from the vertex. Draw the isometric view of the truncated pyramid such that cut surface is visible. Cut surface will be visible in the isometric view. Thereby it is given in the problem. Let us solve the problem. For that we have to draw the front and top view first, right? So now in this location we have to draw the top view first. Top view pentagon is visible, right? So I draw the reference line. Let's draw the reference line. Okay, reference line. This is XY. Then we need to draw the pentagon. Pentagon of side is 20 mm. So I draw the pentagon first. So pentagon I have to draw in this location. One edge, this edge is parallel to the VP and away from. This is not like this. It will not be closer. It is away from the vertical plane. So I draw this. So okay, let us name the points. So the first point is, I name it as A, B, C. A, this point is B, C, D and E. Then as it is a pyramid, we have to find the axis first, right? For find the axis, mark the midpoint of this and connect this line. Okay, and mark another edge. Okay, another edge. I measure this and then point this another edge and draw. That meets here. This is our axis point, O point. So this is our O, right? Then pyramid we have face edges OA, OB, OC and everything, right? So I have to write OA, OB, OC and everything. OA, OA, OB, OC is already there. Then OD and OE. That's our image. OA, OB, OC, we have 5 edges. Then we go for front view. So for pyramid, first we have to project the axis. Okay, center axis, we have to project it first. So I projected the axis. Then what is the height of the pyramid is? Height of the pyramid should be marked in the axis 60 millimeter. So from this measure 60 millimeter. 60 millimeter I mark here. So this is our height of the pyramid. This is our O dash. Okay, this is O. This is O dash. Then project remaining points. Okay. Then draw the lines. Okay, front view points are, so this point is A dash, so this is our B dash, C dash, D dash, and this point is E dash is the hidden point. This is our O dash. Then go for sectioning. So section plane is perpendicular to VP and inclined at 45 to the HP meets the axis at a distance of 33 millimeter from the vertex. So from the vertex, measure 33 millimeter. Okay, 33 millimeter and mark a point. Okay, then draw one horizontal line through the marked point. Okay, then keep the protractor here. Okay. Keep the protractor here and mark 45 degrees. This is our 45 degrees. This is our vertical trace. Vertical trace. Then the section points are, what are the section points over here? So here 1 point, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So for this point I name it as 1 dash. So next it is 2 dash. So this point I should not put 3 dash now because it is visible at the back. For this I marked as 3 dash, then 4 dash. When I am returning back, this point is 5 dash, which is a hidden point. So we have 5 section points also. Then darken these edges. Darken these edges. So we are going to do the isometric view for these edges only. So here only hidden edges. only hidden edges come. Okay. Then, so for pyramids, we need to project the section point to the top view also. Okay. For the top view also, we need to project it. So I project one towards the top view. Okay. So one come here. So this point is our 1. Then 2. Coming here. Then 3. Come here. 4. Then 5 should not be marked here. So for that, what we have to do is transfer it to another point. 5 transfer here. Then I draw one perpendicular line over here. Okay. Then draw one arc. This is our 5. So we marked all the points. So now we can connect these points 1 to 2. Okay, this is our section points. Then A1, so this is our top view also we project. So this is our top view. Now we will draw the isometric view. Before that, we mention the dimensions of the edges. So this length is, so this length is 20 millimeter base. Then here 60 and 30. Okay, completed it. So let us draw the isometric view. So for that, where we have to look? We have to look from here. Then only the section is visible. So there such that the cut surface is visible. So if we are looking from here only, the cut surface is visible. So we have to keep here. Then for that, enclose this in a box. So for that, draw one horizontal line and then one vertical line. So I enclosed in a box. I name it as L, this M, N, this as O. So okay. So for drawing isometric view, very careful. So I draw first one horizontal line. Draw one horizontal line. Then mark one point. Then 30 degrees. Take 30 degree on both sides. 30 degree on both sides. Draw lines. Then, so this is our L. So very good. This is our L. Looking from here, this is our L. Then this side represent here, this side. For that, what we have to do is first measure this distance L to M. Okay, L to M. So this distance is M. Then we measure L to O. L to O. L to O. Then what we have to do is, so here we measure this distance. From here, draw now. Similarly, okay, this is our L and N. So we mark the base. Then how to mark the base points? A, B, C, D and E. It's very easy here. So here A point is on N, O, isn't it? So I measure O to N. How much distance is this? O to N. O to N. So this is our point A. Then B point is this much of this. I make use of this. So B point is B point is this point. This is our B. Then C point is L to C. L to C. So this point is our C. Then D, the same distance of D point. D. Then E. So now we can connect these points A, B, BC, CD, DB, and EA. So we got the bottom base points. This is the bottom base pentagon. Then we go for projecting the section points. So how to mark the section point? In pyramid, somewhat different. First, if you want to mark the O point, means what we have to do is, if you want to mark the O point, means what we have to do is, first we draw one vertical and one horizontal line, right? Horizontal line. Okay. Then this distance I mark this, mark here. So this distance, and from here is the distance. Okay, draw the lines parallel to draw lines parallel to the sides. Then we will get this is a O. Then draw one vertical line. Draw one vertical line. Then measure the height of the O. So this is our O dash O. Now we can connect OA, OB, OC, OD. Then it is finished. So pyramid means we can easily mark. If we mark O means then O to A, O to B, O to C, O to D, O to E. Thereby it is completed. But here we have sections. So sections we have. So how to mark the sections? One by one we have to mark the section points. For that what we have to do is first we have to mark these 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 on the base. So for marking the point 1, the same procedure we have to follow. Draw lines horizontal and vertical lines. Okay. So we got this point and this point. So B2. So we measure this distance. O to L. O to L. So this point. Then O to this distance. Okay. Then we have to draw horizontal line and the parallel lines. Parallel lines. So this is our, not only this is not our one actually, this is not our one actually. Okay. So it is a certain height. Then 1. Then 2. 2 also draw horizontal and vertical lines. So here 2 points. Here also measure the distance in the compass. This is the point. Okay. This is the 2. This is our 2. So we got 1 and 2. Then 3 also the horizontal vertical lines. So this point. This point. Here the same point already we marked here. So we have lines. So this is our 3. Then go for 4. 4 also we mark vertical and horizontal lines. So we this point and this point. L to C. 4, then go for 5. So this point and this point. M to C, I measure M to C. Mark M to C. M to C. M to N, I measured M to N, this point. From here. This is our 5. So we got all the points. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then what we have to do is, from all the points, draw vertical lines. Okay, from 1, I draw vertical line. From 2, I draw vertical line. From 3, from all the points I draw vertical lines. Then measure the heights from 1, measure the height away, measure the height. It's very much careful about it. So we measure from XY line this height of this 1. From the reference line 1 dash, this height I mark from 1. So this point is our 1. Okay, this is our 1. Then 2, measure the height from the XY line. Height from the XY line. 2. This is our 2. Then 3 also, measure the height only. Okay, height. Not slant height, measure the vertical height of 3. So this is our 3. Then go for 4. 4. This is our 4. 5. So we mark all of them. Then section is clearly visible. So now we can connect 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5 and 5 to 1 we completed. Then come to the points A. Okay, A point is here, B is here, C, D and E. So all the points are A, B, C, D, E. So from the left corner, B to 2, right? B and 2 are the point. B and 2 are the point. B 2 is the point. So connect the leftmost B and 2. Okay, so I connected B and 2. Then rightmost means E and 5 is there. E and 5. E and 5 are the rightmost. E5 is the rightmost. Then we connect the base edges which are visible. Then we can connect these 3 D4. That's it. So the back side, this edge is 1 and this is are with invisible edges. No need to draw this. So this is our isometric view of the object. Section truncated pyramid. That's all.